a lot of chimney. Oh god, it's a lot of chimney. Might not be in focus.
Oh. It's like egg white. It's like egg white in your hands. I'm gonna make a meringue, make a pavlova.
It's not meringue.
Yeah. Oh, you're immune now. Oh.
That's all for
Oh
me,
god.
Well, that cleared me out.
Oh, he's so mean, Sep. Why are you so mean these days?
Yeah. Alright, we'll do it the good old fashioned way. I think there's something in my eye.